In this video, you'll learn how to share Dropbox folders with your team members so everyone can work from the same place with the right level of access. We'll focus on the invite to folder method, which is what you should use when you want your teammates to be able to add, delete, or edit files inside a shared folder. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set this up on your desktop and avoid common permission mistakes. First, let's talk about what this method actually does. When you invite people to a folder in Dropbox using the invite to folder option, that folder doesn't just become a simple link. Instead, it appears directly inside each invited person's Dropbox account, just like any other folder they own. That means they can open it from their desktop app, their File Explorer or Finder, or the Dropbox website, and they'll always see the latest version of every file. Now let's walk through the steps on your desktop. Start by opening Dropbox on your computer. This could be the Dropbox app that integrates with your operating system or your file manager where Dropbox has created a special folder. Make sure you're logged into the correct account that owns or has full access to the folder you want to share. Next, find the folder you want to share with your team. Hover your mouse over that folder so it's clearly selected. Now, right-click on the folder. When you right-click, you should see a context menu appear. In this menu, look for the Dropbox option. This might be labeled as Dropbox or show the Dropbox icon, depending on your system. Move your mouse over that Dropbox option, and from the submenu that appears, click on the Share option. This will open a small sharing window or dialog box where you can choose who to invite and what they're allowed to do. In the sharing window, look for a field that lets you add people. Click on that field, then start typing the email addresses of your team members one by one. Take a moment to double check each address so the invitation goes to the right person. If your team uses work email addresses, be sure to use those to keep everything organized within your company account. Once you've added the people you want to include, look for the permissions drop-down. This is usually next to the names or email addresses you've entered. From that drop-down, select Can Edit. This is important because choosing Can Edit gives your team members permission to add new files, delete files, and make changes inside that folder. If you accidentally choose a view-only setting, they won't be able to collaborate fully. After you've confirmed the email addresses and made sure the permission is set to Can Edit, click the button labeled Share Folder. Dropbox will then send invitations to the people you selected. When they accept, the folder will appear in their own Dropbox, ready to use. Here's a quick pro tip if you're using a Dropbox business team account. Instead of typing each person's email address one at a time, you can invite entire groups. In the Add People field, start typing the name of a group such as Marketing or Dev Team. If your admin has set up groups, you'll see them appear, and you can invite everyone in that group at once. It's a simple way to keep access consistent as your team grows.